Hello and welcome back to the channel and to our third and final full day here at Oakwood Holiday Park. It's been beautiful weather we've had while we've been here, and it's a lovely sunny day again today. So today me and Karen are going to go to Hebden Bridge. It's a long time since we've been to Hebden Bridge, so if you want to join us on our trip to Hebden Bridge, please carry on, watch this video and we'll see you when we get to Hebden Bridge. Bye for now. Right, we've arrived in Hebden Bridge. We parked in centre as well. £1 an hour for a couple of hours in. So that's where we've parked in centre. Right, let's have a walk round Hebden Bridge. That's Hebden Bridge down home. Got the old bridge there, haven't we? The old bridge. Yeah, it's only a small place, isn't it? It's not very big. Yeah. Lovely sunny weather though again, isn't it? Hebden Bridge Mill. Canal's down there somewhere, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that mountain ash, you can smell.
When I said to you,
Yeah.
it's a good old bridge,
Isn't it? We'll walk over the old bridge. The old cart horse bridge, this one, wasn't it? Can't you read the plaque?
I know, obviously you can't. Repaired 1990. I think it says repaired. I think it says repaired 1990.
No, that tranquil river that after heavy rain, I think they've done a lot of work to try and prevent flooding, haven't they, the environmental agency. There's another car park over there. Must be out of pedestrian, because this is like a pedestrian zone, this, isn't it? Better view of the bridge from here. This is a very compact centre, isn't it? Somebody's having a gas delivery. Some tooting of horns going off. Thought you might have seen Stone Bridge from here, but you can't. It's a busy road, this one. Definitely the main road through this one, isn't it? Three-storey terraced houses. Yeah, you can certainly tell it used to be an old mill town, can't you?
Obviously, this is the reason that all the mill towns were here.
Yeah. Like I say, that's an old industrial building.
Yeah, they all are, aren't
Yeah.
they?
Yeah. Another old mill building. Beehive Mills. All next to the river. Right, we're at the canal now. I've walked down the canal. Canal boat's moored up. I'll walk back along the canal towards the centre of town. Something about walking outside of a canal. Nice properties over facing canal though. Yeah, they are small little terraced houses, aren't they? Yeah, it's like these industrial buildings have been turned into apartments as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, at least they've got you.
Yeah. It's a nice little place, but it gets very busy, I think, probably summer and weekend. Right, we're coming up to a lock. Aqueduct going over a river. So this is the aqueduct going over the river. And there's locks at the end of the aqueduct to take you back down. That's looking across the aqueduct. So walk down that way. Karen's on the little bridge that takes you over to the other towpath. It's about horses are used, wanted to get them onto the other side at towpath. Ah, that's off the bridge looking up through the lock gates. Right, so if you carry on probably down that canal, don't know how far it is, but it takes you to Mytholroyd, something like that, I can't say it properly. There's a nice park other side of this canal. So it's got a football field and a playground in park. Somebody washing his boat. And that's looking back up to the lock gates. Nice little park here.
It's not long. I don't know whether he's cleaning it down with.
Is it a church? Yeah. Hope Baptist Church. So that's back on me to town again. A little walk down this way. That must be a dry dock, that. Bronte boats. Got a picture house anyway.
Yeah.
Hebden Bridge Picture House. Right, we'll have a little walk down canal, just a little bit further. Ambulance. Yeah, we'll have a little walk down here. Where's it across canal, this one?
I know, I'm thinking.
I think he must be more up on the other side.
A lot of franklin ones there, aren't there?
It's filling up with water. Strictly no more in between the arrows.
It's an alternative life.
It is an alternative life,
It's
yes.
a bit too alternative for me. But I can see why some people it's
It's a very nice place, must admit. Some little ducklings. All sunbathing. It's alright, Mum, don't worry. Thought there'd be some movement to canal boats today, but there's not seen one move yet. Apart from that one that's across canal up there. There's always a pigeon, like you say. Yeah, be able to go back up that ramp there. Yeah, they got to be permanent moorings, them, haven't they? They got sheds and everything. That one's got a full garden, that one. Yeah, it's got a full garden on that one. So there's another lot down there. It's nice to keep garden, that one though, isn't it? On that, must take some looking after pots and everything. Just looking up where we've walked down the canal. Work his way up through the park now. Not exactly peaceful moorings right next to the road actually then. But I suppose they got used to it. Right, we'll walk into the park this way. We've certainly been blessed with the weather though, must admit. It's a nice little place, but it's only small, isn't it? We walked down this road we've not been in. Not been down this one. Some roadworks, just for a change. There's a lot of roadworks about. Traditional fish and chips. They do smell good. But we're on healthy eating at the moment. Trying to lose a little bit of weight. So nearly back to the pedestrian and the area, aren't we? So we're back to the centre now. Find somewhere to have a coffee. Ah, nice coffee. Just had a nice coffee. So we've about covered Hebden Bridge actually. Let's look at town centre. Had it then?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Just do my ending here. Hope you like a little walk around Hebden Bridge with us. I didn't take as much footage as what we've walked around, so didn't want to bore you too much. If you like it, you can come and visit the place yourself. So if you've enjoyed this little video, don't forget to do the normal.